In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install a SIM card and a memory card on a Blitzwolf GV18 Smartwatch. Okay, with the watch powered off, there is a notch right over here, so you just push this down, just peel this away, and the back cover will come off. Okay, now you have to remove the battery. Okay, now right here is the SIM card slot, and here is the memory card slot. Now to install the SIM card, you need to push this back and just lift it up. Now this uses a micro SIM card, so it has to be a micro SIM card to fit. Once that's open, you just take the SIM card and install it like so. Once it's inside, push this down, slide it to the left to lock it in place, and the SIM card is installed. I'm going to install the memory card. Just rest it in like so, and push it right in. And that is how to install the memory card. Okay, now I'm going to put the battery back in. Now I'm going to put on the cover. There you go. That is how to install a SIM card and a memory card on a Blitzwolf GV18 Smartwatch. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.